Hey team, hope you're all doing well today. So today I want to talk about X integration with HYROS, how to set the tracking up, everything. So we're just going to go step by step. Basically, first thing that we want to do is we want to go inside HYROS, we want to go to settings and then integrations, and then we're just going to click on X configure, okay? Once we're there, we're just going to click on configure, and then you're just going to basically add a new integration. You can name it whatever you want, and then you're pretty much just going to sign in with X, okay? And you're just going to basically authorize the app, and that's it, okay? You can then select the actual ad account once you actually make the integration. There will most likely be like a little time zone pop-up right here. Just click accept if you see that, and then you should be good. And then that right there basically makes your X integration with HYROS, okay? Next, we actually got to set up the actual parameters, okay, on the actual ads. So let me go and show you that. Okay, so once we're inside like the ad account for X or Twitter, whatever, all we're gonna do is we're just gonna go to the ad group level, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to click on the ad group ID, okay? We want to basically make sure that this column is present inside of our actual like ad groups metric. So you just like customize column and then just go to the ad group level ID, okay? And we just basically need that ad group ID right there, okay? And then we're just basically going to copy that, okay? Once we copy that, we're going to go into the actual creative section, and we're basically going to look for the URL that we're pointing traffic to. So like if your website URL that you're pointing traffic to is like mywebsite.com or hyros.com in this case, we're just going to add the ad group ID plus this URL parameter at the end of equals, okay? So we're just going to go like basically question mark TWT underscore ID equals and then ad group ID, okay? This is basically how we're going to associate the different ad group IDs. This is exactly how we track everything with X. We just need to make sure that every single page that we're pointing traffic to contains the HYROS universal tracking script inside the head area, okay? And that's pretty much it right there, guys, okay? So you're just going to put that parameter at the end of the website URL. That's going to be at the ad level, and then you should be good, okay? Now, one thing we can do also is we want to test this. So the way to test it is from your actual creatives right here, you're going to click on preview. That's going to generate a link from your customer's point of view. Once you click on that, this right here should appear. So question mark TWT underscore ID equals, and then the ad group ID, okay? That right there is how you know that it's firing correctly. We just want to make sure that whatever page we're pointing traffic to, again, contains that HYROS universal tracking script, okay, inside the head area. Then you might want to opt in. So like actually submit an email from your customer's point of view and then check that inside HYROS. So just go to sales data, then leads, and actually type in the email that you submitted for the test, and you should see that it actually has tracked from Twitter, from a Twitter ad. Okay, guys? Let me know if you guys need any assistance with this. This is basically how we set up Twitter ads, and then we can view all of the data from like reports or dashboards. Yeah, so like this is how we basically set it all up, guys. Let me know if you need any help.